Welcome back into my office. I'm Brian, and we can now have a look at this 18th century Geographical Dictionary in a period full leather, speckled binding, nice gilt decorations in the spine compartments, and marbled end papers like so. We see that it is 1779 Paris. There is, at the front here, a folding engraved map of the world in double hemispheres. Look at this Alaska coastline up here and the undefined northern area above California and the Northwest. Take a look here at Australia and how it's joined to Van Diemen's Island, Tasmania, as well as New Guinea. Yeah, very interesting. And so we see here the text block remains clean, tight, and sound. There are several folding maps within. This one here is a map of Europe, like so. Nicely preserved, clean example. Here is a map of Spain, facing the description España for it. Here we have a folding map, oops, it's loose, like this, of France, like so. And that one's just loosely laid in. And this map, I believe is the final one, I think, is a map of Savoy, like that, northern Italy, Switzerland, and so on. And yes, those are the maps that are found within this. Actually, that's more than are called for. I believe there's only a couple that are called for. And a little bit of wear here at the lower corners, but really a very pleasing and well-preserved example of a scarce mid-18th century geography, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.